Good morning, children. Welcome back to your English class. So, before we move ahead, please make sure that you have all the essential items with you. That means your English language book, your notebook, and pencil box. Okay, so now before we talk about today's chapter, let's quickly recap what we learned in the previous class. Okay, so we started with use of near and far. Near means next to us. We use near when something is next to us, and far means away from us. We use far when something is far away from us. And after that, we learn about use of to and from. To indicates the movement towards something, and from indicates the place, direction or time that something start. It means starting points of something. Okay? I really hope this helped you to revise previous class. Okay. Now moving ahead. Today's class. Today we are going to revise chapter 11, 12 and 13. Okay, so let me tell you, chapter 12 and 13 both are similar. So in today's class we learn about chapter 11, 12 and 13. Okay, so now children, look at the pictures carefully and answer my question. What you see in this picture? Okay, a girl is wake up in the morning and the other picture is showing night. There is lots of stars and a moon. Okay, so in one hand we can see day and the other night. Very good. And now there is a big ball and the other ball is small. And here we can see a tall tree and the other is short plants. So our today's aim is opposites. In all that pictures, what you see? Okay, these all are opposites to each other. Children, opposites are pair of words that have different meanings. It means opposites क्या होते हैं? Opposites pair of words होते हैं जो एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल विपरीत होते हैं. Okay, I hope you all are understood well. Okay, now practice time. Okay, now look at the pictures carefully and read with me. Okay, what you see in the first picture? We can see a bucket. A basket is full of fruits and the other is empty. So the opposites of full is empty. Very good. Next, a boy is running very fast and the other boy is slow, just walking. So the opposites of fast is slow. Very good. Next, a small fish and other is a big fish. So the opposites of small is big. Next, happy, sad. Opposites of happy is sad. Okay, next. What you can see? Speak loudly. A old grandma and a young girl. So the opposite of old is young. Next, light and the other one is dark. So the opposite of light is dark. Next, a closed door and other is open door. So the opposites of closed is open. Very good. I hope you all are understood well. Okay. Okay, now open page number 35, chapter 11, opposites. Okay. Now read with me. The elephant is big. The rat is small. Okay. So the opposite is big, small. Arun is a boy. Anju is a girl. So the opposite of boy is girl. The tea is hot. टी कैसी होती है? टी hot होती है. And the ice is cold. So the opposite of hot is cold. The man is old and the boy is young. Yes, we just learned this. What is the opposite of old is young. Yes, very good. The pig is fat. The monkey is thin. So the opposite of fat is thin. Okay, next. The man is tall. The dog is salt. So, what is the opposite of tall is? Yes, salt. Okay, Raja is happy. Why Raja is happy? Because he has a gift. So, Raja is happy. Mohan is sad. Oh, so what is the opposite of happy? Sad. Very good. I hope you all are understood. Okay. Next. So now we will revise chapter 12 and 13. Here we will learn about use of has and have. So children, has and have indicate possession in the present tense. It means a possession is something that belongs to you. Okay, जब कोई चीज़ हमारी होती है तो हम उसके लिए has and have का यूज़ करते हैं. Okay. So we use has with he, she, it, human names and with singular names. Okay. Very good. And we also use has with animals. Okay. Okay. And we use have with I, you, we, they and plural names. I hope you all are understood. Okay, now moving ahead. Now practice time. Okay, look at the pictures carefully. What you see in this picture? A cat. So what we use with cat? We use has. Okay. A cat has 4 legs. Okay, look at the pictures. Lions have sharp teeth. Count the lions. 1, 2, 3. There is a 3 lions. It means lions are in plural words. So we use have with lions. Understood? Okay. We have a big house. There is a 2 person. So we use have. Okay. Now open page number 36, chapter 12, use of has and have. Okay. I hope you all are ready for this. Look at the pictures. Ramu has a gun. Ramu is a single person. So we use has with Ramu. And the other, Ramu and Syamu, Somu has guns. There is 2 person. So we use have with Ramu and Somu. I hope you all are clear about this. Okay. Sam has puppy. Sam के पास क्या है? Puppy है. Sam and ma'am have puppy. So there is 2 person. So we use have with Sam and ma'am. Okay. Now read it yourself. Okay. So this is your bonus question of the day. Please read the question carefully and answer the question in online exam section of Schoolia app. Okay. If you watch the video carefully, children, so you will answer correctly. Okay. All the best. Now today's work. Okay. Now put your video on pause and note down the answer in your notebook. Okay, fill with has and have. Okay, moving ahead. Today's planner work. Study page number 37. Do your today's work in your notebook and get your parents' signature. Thank you. And if you have any doubt, you can let me know in your comment section. So, thank you. Stay safe. Have a great day.